get the beginning? I don't think you did.
Yeah, I did.
Okay,
Keep going. You're on. I guess you're on.
Okay, tell me when to start. My name is Akinbamelo. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a chemical engineering major.
Hello, my name is Ayushkiri. I'm a mechanical engineering freshman from Nepal.
Hello, my name is Bibek ENGW. I'm a mechanical engineering major also from Nigeria.
And the favorite book that I've read is Alchemist by Paul Cello.
Angels and Demons.
Apart from my Bible, my favorite book is Souls of Black Folk because of the passion that W.E.B. Du Bois put into writing the book. I love reading and writing. I surely love reading because reading, apart from the fact that it's a form of recreation, it gives you an idea of what actually happened in a time before or something like that. And over the period of this course, I've come to fall in love with writing.
I think I like reading, but I don't like to write.
I like them both to a certain extent. No, I just write like for free time and that's all.
Surely.
They do encourage me to read. They don't encourage me to write.
Well, for me, my parents encourage me to read and write. It's just that I don't want to write. Do I consider myself a good writer? Definitely not.
Same with me. Although people still see some of my writing and tell me the opposite, but I don't think I'm a good writer. No.
Technically speaking, I don't think or consider myself a good writer because Marita Golding's book, Interview, then Shelley Logan's White College English, and also Marianne Sablo's Writing for Their Lives.
Shitty first drafts by is it
Samuel
Samuel Lamont? Because it just talked about basically the same way we actually try to write, and I think that's why I like it.
Marianne Sablo and Marita Golding's book, they both bring forth the importance of identity in one's writing, and Logan's White College English, it brings out the beauty in English language. It brings out the beauty in college English because college English is not just all about, oh, you're supposed to put a comma here, you're supposed to do this, follow the rules. Following the rules most times is not always the important thing. It's how to go about following those rules to bring out valuable and important lessons in life.
What was my worst reading? I guess it was literacy,
Imagination, something
in
flight.
flight. Yeah.
Yeah, same
Yeah,
as me.
like
Yeah, everybody's first reading in that class is definitely Gilead. And then when the first verse is not your own, because those two texts were just unnecessarily long. The things they could have put together and said in 4 pages, they unnecessarily extended it. At the very beginning, I never knew. I just thought writing was just imagine something and then just pen it down. But as I progressed in this class, based on the different readings that we had, I actually said that one's identity is a very paramount and important thing when one is writing, because if one loses over the course of the class, I've come to know that one of the basic things that one needs to show when one is writing is one's identity, one's experiences.
In different cultures, like people want to pass down traditions, and sometimes they're done through written works.
yeah, I agree with him. I think it is influenced by one's culture. You know, like you tend to have the same taste for books that your father has,
Yes.
father had, that
Yes,
your
that's
society
true.
has. So yeah, I think yes.
It's based on my imagination or based on my experience. But I'll say I have a very wild imagination. So most cases I'm always imagining very different things. So for starters, yes, I write based on my imagination. And then based on my experience, I'm still a small boy, so what do I know? What have I experienced? So
I guess it depends.
The same here, but preferably, I tend to write more of experience than imagination. I don't think I'm more of a creative writer.
Is in control of the pen, and then the army that is under the government that is in control of the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. Then a writer has more power than the government. I feel a writer's responsibility is to let the let the people know about what is going on, to educate the people on the things that are going on. Nowadays, nobody buys newspaper. I think those are also avenues for one to be creative and to develop one's creativity in writing.
It's just like doing it with a different media like internet. So it's still a form of writing. Yes. How have I changed as a writer? Well, a lot about me has changed as a writer since I started this English 104 course.
So back home in Nigeria, all we're encouraged to write was just writing formal letter, every now and then writing informal letter. So it didn't give us the avenue to actually think creatively when it came to writing. But then since I got here, I think that mentality has already changed, because as a person I actually hated English and writing. But then since I got here, I've actually gotten that passion for, not for English, but for writing. So I think in terms of the mentality and what writing actually is, I think I've actually changed in that aspect. And now it's actually easier for me to think up an idea based on the topic and then to present it in a coherent form. Although I know I still have a long way to go in.
I've been able to understand that one has to take into consideration the audience he or she is writing to. Like, I don't just write just to point out my ideas straight away, but I have to like consider who is reading what I'm writing. And then I've also improved based on grammatical aspects of the writing, and also the length of my writing has improved. So that's because I don't write this long in high school, so I've improved all around.
You guys talk about like how your grammar has improved, right?
Yes.
So is writing just about grammar and correct use of language?
No, not just it's the grammar is part of it, and also the main idea that someone's passing through the main what's the word, like the main arguments that a writer is passing to his or her audience.
Yeah, I believe like at times you can convey a message even if you have a big blunder in your grammar.
Yes.
Can you give an example?
It's hard to think of an example.
You can give an example of me talking to you because I make grammatical errors, but yet you understand it, right?
Yes, it's just like we being international students, like sometimes I don't understand what he says. Really? And sometimes he doesn't understand what I say. But okay, no, maybe we say things wrongly in English normally, but we understand ourselves because it's still English.
Yeah.
Even if I say no, I have to.
That's $1 million question.
If I go to a graduate school, I have to write research papers, so writing will always be a part of my life. So yes, I'm writing.
You're stuck with it.
It's inevitable. Like we just have to write.
Definitely something that I will have to do as a chemical engineer or even as a scientist, because we always need to write papers based on our searches, results and stuff. So definitely I'll write in future. Yeah, I'll say the class that I've enjoyed the most since I got to our is definitely my English class, because I'm this kind of reserved person that I don't like talking in the midst of people I don't know. But then my English class gave us the avenue to actually talk, and it's more or less like you had no other alternative than to just talk. So for any student out there, I would definitely recommend Professor Sonia Brown as your English professor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Someone's
Have a
getting
nice
an
day.
A.
Huh?
Someone's like bribing to get an A.
Yeah, you definitely. Oh, sorry. As long as you write your essays and you do extra credits, you will surely
Yeah.
get an A.
Okay.
Thank you.